Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off notification setting in Township game. Whether you want fewer distraction or want to make sure you don't miss any game updates, this step-by-step tutorial will help you easily manage your notification setting in the game. First, open up the Township game on your mobile device, and once you're in the game, look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and tap on it. From the expanded menu, click on the gear icon. After you open up the gear icon, click on Notifications. You'll see different toggles for specific notifications such as harvest, farming, building, and others. Go ahead and switch on any notification you'd like to receive. If you have not turned on notification from your device's setting, then you'll need to go to Settings. Simply go ahead and tap open the Settings app from your mobile device, and inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Under Notification, look for the Township game and tap on it. Now toggle on the button right next to Allow Notifications if you want to allow notification for this app. Now get back to the Township app. You can then go ahead and turn on any notification you'd like to receive from the Notification tab. Now if you ever want to switch off the notification, you can simply toggle off the notification option right next to each settings, or you can get back to the Settings app, and once you get to the Allow Notification button, simply toggle off the button right next to it. And that's how you can easily turn on and off notification setting on your Township game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.